Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play a clip backwards or how to reverse a video inside of DaVinci Resolve. So I'm going to start by just dragging a clip into my timeline right here. And if you want to reverse the whole clip, there's no fancy editing you have to do. All you really have to do is select the clip, then right click it, and then click on Change Clip Speed. When you click on that, a small window should appear, and at the right side of the window, you're going to be able to see an option called reverse speed. So go ahead and just click on that. As you can see right now, it's activated and all the values have now turned negative. So if we go ahead and click on change, and we play the video in our timeline, you can notice that the cars are moving backwards. So it's really that quick and that easy. If you want to reverse only a specific portion of the clip on your timeline, there's another easy way to do it. Just simply hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the clip one layer above. This will create a duplicate. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a portion of the video out. So for example, this portion right here, I want to duplicate. I'm also going to create a cut at the end of my original video. Then I'm going to press A on my keyboard to go back into the selection mode. And I'm just going to bring the extra sections off. So now we can do the same thing here. Click on reverse speed.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
And if we watch it through in our timeline, as you can see, when it reaches a certain point, the clip suddenly gets reversed. So, really quick and really easy, very simple to do. I hope you were able to follow along, and I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. As always, thank you for watching.